Hello, I am Madhusmita. I am a certified ascension coach. I am a twin flame divine masculine, and I am on my path to my harmonious union. Along the way, I am sharing my story. I am also sharing myself uh, with a intention that you should see, how with the healing I am clearing the blocks, and then I'm also going to share my harmonious union here with you. The whole purpose is to make you feel peaceful, that harmonious union is real. Okay, it is peaceful, and it always starts with a choice that you have to truly believe that it is for you. Then it starts to manifold. Well, my today's topic is how you can manifest money easily. Okay, so it's in as per the series of life purpose. Your life purpose is a key element on your twin flame journey. Manifestation of money in the reality is a confirmation, is a validation that your root chakras are healing, and that's what is reflected back to you in your consciousness. So every healing that you do within yourself, you will see the results in the real world. Okay, so that is how is going to confirm you that you are actually healing. Okay, when the healing has happened, be sure that there is something that will manifest, something good that you have been desiring will manifest in your reality. That has always happened for me. That has always happened for me. I will maybe make another video where I'm going to share in detail. So come back to today's topic, because today's topic I believe is very crucial, because money is an element that you truly need for everything, right? Anything that you desire on this planet, you can just have it by exchanging money. Okay, just by exchanging money you can have everything. Even to support your healing, you need to manifest, or you need to manifest your money, to claim your money. So the first fundamental is come out of the lack belief that you don't have the money, and there is no money, so I cannot do my healing. Actually it's the opposite case. What happens energetically, you are not ready to love yourself, you are not ready to heal yourself. That's why you are not manifesting money. Okay, it's not the reverse way, that you don't have money, that's why you cannot heal. No, the moment you make a core choice to heal yourself, you claim your money with God, you claim your money with universe, and at that moment you are going to receive the money that is required for all your healing, and then to also take you to your on the path of your abundance. Okay, because when you are going to value yourself and you are going to heal yourself, so that you embody the true nature of your soul, you are doing something that is in alignment of universe. Okay, and that's why you naturally attract the support from universe. You will naturally attract the opportunities that can create the money for you. So there are very simple steps, it's not complicated. First of all the inner work through mirror exercise is easy. You don't have to struggle, or you don't have to do too much of anything to get your healing done. It is very easy. So first step is, first start believing abundance is real. Okay, you can see around you how much abundance is there, how much money is there available. Every day billions of money is floating. Okay, so all that you need to do is, just because that you might have a consciousness, like all the reality around you is in poverty, like every day there could be some struggle related to money or something. That's not true, that's the illusion. Okay, that's the illusion. So it is up to you now, how much power are you going to give to that illusion, or you are going to truly bring your energy back and start believing that abundance is real. Because the truth is abundance is real, and you have your share of money in that. Okay, you have it, absolutely. That is the first step. Second step, are you going to get all your money in a day or 2 day or a month? It's like the lottery system. That's not true. That's actually comes from a block that money is an illusion. Like out of nowhere, somewhere from somewhere, money will come into my life. That is not as per the universal order. Okay, even if you manifest in that way, it will not be sustained with you. Okay, it will never stay with you because your energy is not aligned to keep that money with yourself. Okay, so the second step is you have to start expressing your desire, that you desire that money for yourself. There are some blocks that keep stopping you from believing that, like the poverty consciousness. If you believe too much into poverty, then you will not even desire, like this much is enough, we don't need more money. Money will bring lot of problem. So all that thing are actually blocked. So open up yourself and open heartedly desire that, you desire that money, because the desire is itself a loving energy. You desire something. So like that, exactly like you desire your twin flame, exactly like that you desire that money. Okay, so express that desire, and always your money is going to go on a increasing path. Okay, so whatever today is your desire, so always go step by step. Okay, so whatever you currently have, you can just increase by 10 to 15% and then express that desire to universe, that I want to manifest, or I choose to manifest this much of money in my life. Okay, and that should be very specific, like in this month or in this 15 days, like that. So you have to express that desire. And then you have, next step is you have to open up yourself to receive. Okay, because in a way, when you are expressing your desire, then you should not engage in, from how to get that money from outside. No, that's not your work. Once you have expressed that you desire to have money, and then there is a action related to it, right? Maybe you have some, like currently you must be having some business that is going on. So through that channel only you are going to receive. You are not going to do anything that is in misalignment. Okay, so that's not the intention. You choose to receive with whatever action that you are currently having. Through that you are opening up yourself to receive from universe. So whatever your business may be, so in that current situation only you will create the energy where you are going to attract maybe more clients. Or if you don't have any job, in that case maybe you will get some opportunities that will come along your way. So like that you will receive. Okay, so once your blocks are cleared, you are absolutely open up. You are not controlling how you are going to get the money. You are absolutely open to receive that money. Then again, you have, like I said already, you have to limit the timing. Like you want to receive within 15 days, or maybe you want to manifest that much of money in a month. Okay, so that should be easy and quick. It should not be like you are struggling to get that money, or it should not be like, after 1 year that money is going to come. No, it is always a manifestation of your energy at the current state. How much is your prosperity and abundance energy currently? According to that, you will attract that much of money externally. It's a very scientific process, it is a very scientific process. There is no that mystical that is going to happen here. You embody that energy by healing yourself. Once you reach to that energy within yourself, exactly you will see that in your reality, and in a aligned way, in a universal aligned way, that is in alignment to your truth. That's how you are going to manifest that easily and quickly. So make this energy also very specific, that you want to manifest it quickly and easily. Because if you don't also embody this energy, that easily and quickly, then you will slowly get into that hopelessness, disappointment. Because when you don't get that money, like in the like on a the if the money energy is not constantly flowing, it becomes naturally to get into that depression energy, of getting disappointment, nothing is happening, money is coming, nothing, I'm not good, all that thing will start creeping up. So it is always good to also include the component of making it happen easily and quickly. And last point is, you also have to put the energy and intention very clear, that you are going to manifest that money for yourself, and you are going to keep that for yourself. You are going to retain that for yourself. Because it should not happen that you manifested money, but there is a open energy, open loop available in your energy. Like maybe somebody will take a debt from you, or you know like you have somewhere you have to give to someone else, or somewhere it will just go away. That should not also happen. So you also have to ensure that whatever money you are going to manifest, you are going to have that for yourself. You are going to invest that money on yourself. You can go, also always have your plans, like you are going to enhance your livelihood, you are to enhance your maybe any infrastructure in your business. So always have that plan. When you are going to have a gain of 20%, so maybe 5% of that energy you are going to invest on your growth, maybe some of your spiritual development, like that. So all that thing you have to keep churning. Like you will manifest, and then you will invest on yourself, then you manifest, then you invest on yourself to increase your vibration, then you manifest more. So like that the cycle continues. It's a very simple process. Any block, through all this thing you can heal. I do Akashic record financial healing, so that supports to specifically identify which are the current blocks that is blocking your money flow. You can reach out to me for that. Thank you.